Hi everyone, welcome to the water market report for this week. Another fairly hot, dry week, and we're seeing storages decrease down to a level we haven't seen since 2018. I think we're currently at 52% compared to this time last year, 76%. Hume in particular is down into the 23% now, so that's dropped significantly. The good news, of course, though, is that the Queensland floods have delivered some inflows into the Darling, which is heading towards Menindee now. Probably get there in May, June, and the MDBA estimated that it might end up being 600 to 1,000 gigs. So that's certainly substantial and will help us next year underpin allocations in the Murray, both in Vic and in New South, because it's a shared resource. So that is a bright spot on a otherwise concerning sort of situation. Spot price in the Murray below choke has increased significantly over the last few days. We started the week at 200 and today we've been trading at 260. A lot of late season demand. People are using more water than what they thought, and at the same time supply has thinned out. Everyone's sort of sold this year. Most sellers have already sold this year given the prices were higher than the previous years. So combination of thin supply and demand being steady and constant has shifted the price. Above choke we're 115, over in the Goulburn we're 110 to 115, and up in the Bidgie it's similar to the Murray price at around 260 a meg. An allocation announcement in the Bidgie today still kept allocations on 39%. Permanent market steady. The Commonwealth are currently in caretaker mode, so they're not executing or pursuing any new contracts. The ones they've accepted they're progressing with. And still some steady demand from a lot of different buyers in the perm market. Mixture of institutional and some corporate ag as well. So overall prices in permanent are steady. Forward markets starting to show signs of increasing in the Murray below choke. Last week we were at 270, 280 a meg, and all of a sudden sellers have lifted their prices up towards 300 now, so something to keep an eye on. Yeah, overall another hot, dry week, but with the water coming down the Darling, it's a positive for us that we'll keep an eye on over the weeks ahead. Thanks everyone.